Alright, good evening. We unfortunately had to cut the trip a little short, having some family issues, but we're now heading back east to Indiana, and our first stop is the Rod and Gun Campground here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. I'll throw some Jones shots in there so you can see what they look like, but this is what it looks like from our spot, which is, I keep forgetting, spot 7. So this is what it looks like from our spot, and then I'll also throw in some drone video. Gorgeous out here. It just rained. Again, you can kind of see some fog in the air. Wonderful, 70 degrees, ready to go. So it should be a good sleep tonight, and then we'll be off to our way to Indiana. We're probably stopping on our way there in Iowa. So maybe Nebraska, we'll see. A lot more to come.